Hi everybody, welcome back to eNoble Kendra. In today's video, we're going to be looking at layers of the Earth. There are two types of layers of the Earth. We have compositional and mechanical. We're going to be looking at compositional layers first. So, compositional layers are the material or element of which each layer is made up of or composed of. First, we have crust. The crust is the outermost layer of the Earth. It is about 0 to 45 kilometers deep. The temperature is about 0 degrees Celsius to 870 degrees Celsius. The crust is made up of silicon and oxygen. Basically, the crust is made up of lightweight materials. You can see where the arrow is pointing to of the crust. It is like the outside of the circle, or the shell of an egg. The second layer is the mantle. The mantle is the middle layer of the Earth. This is about 45 kilometers to 900 kilometers deep. The temperature is about 870 degrees Celsius to 3,700 degrees Celsius. The mantle is made up of magnesium and iron-rich materials. If you can see where the arrow is pointing, it's like the flesh or the middle of the Earth or of the circle, or it's like the white of an egg. The third and last compositional layer is the core. The core is the innermost layer of the Earth. It is about 2,900 kilometers to 6,371 kilometers deep. It is made up of iron, nickel, and sulfur, and it is extremely dense. So if you can see the arrow, it's pointing to the yellow part or the middle of a circle. It's like the yolk of an egg. The core has two parts, and we're going to see this in the mechanical layers. So those are the compositional layers. The mechanical layers are the layers or the way in which the layers of Earth behave due to pressure and heat. So heat, we've seen how the more inner you get in the Earth, the more the heat increases. So this makes the materials in each layer of the Earth behave differently. That's what the mechanical layers are made up of. So the first mechanical layer is the lithosphere. The lithosphere is rigid. It's the rigid crust and the upper mantle. So upper mantle, this means that the mantle is divided into two parts. The lithosphere is divided into tectonic plates, which are oceanic and continental. So tectonic plates are plates on the Earth which move, and they form land masses, and they're basically how the continents, which were once Pangea, moved apart. The second layer is the asthenosphere. The asthenosphere is partially molten, and it's weak and deformable. So it's like plastic under pressure. The asthenosphere flows very slowly, allowing tectonic plates to move on top of it. So the asthenosphere moves, which is why the tectonic plates on the lithosphere move too. So the asthenosphere, the materials in it can flow. The mesosphere is the strong lower part of the mantle. Meso means the middle. This is rigid due to great pressure. So what we can see from at least these three layers is that the more inside you go in Earth, the more the pressure increases. Now, convection currents, which is something we'll see later, occurs in the asthenosphere and the mesosphere. The last layer is the inner and outer core. The outer core is molten liquid that moves around the inner core. The inner core is solid. So these are the mechanical layers of the Earth. So this is the compositional and mechanical layers of the Earth. Thank you for watching.